So is Nikola Corperation overvalued? Let's get straight to it. They're worth $28 billion, right? Right now, their market cap, $28 billion. They were trading at $34. They hit highs of, I think, $92 and overall $97 during the pre-market session, right? $28 billion. I just want to know, let's keep this juicy, why they received $4 million from a PPP coronavirus small business loan, meaning that they pretty much couldn't make payroll if they didn't accept this overall loan. $4 million in PP loan during the coronavirus pandemic. Think about that. First of all, they weren't even making money prior to that, right? On top of that, thinking about this, when it comes down to Nikola, is it overvalued? One of the things that I want to openly share with you guys is, I've said it so many times before, just because something is good for maybe a day trade doesn't make it good for a long-term investment. That's the whole purpose of this video. It's you need to be aware of the risk involved when there's a lot of hype. If you truly believe in this company, I wish you the absolute best. For those that are skeptical, this video is for you, right? I just want to make sure that you're aware of the potential downside. I just want you to have some form of risk management. That's all. Valuation at $28 billion. They've made no sales. They have about $14 billion in pre-orders. Anyone can pre-order anything. And they're on their actual site. The really misleading thing about Nikola is that you can place 10 pre-orders for their trucks, and then you can use that number for their overall pre-order valuation, and you literally don't have to pay anything. There's no commitment to it. So again, so misleading. How many of those $14 billion worth of pre-orders, right, do you think are actually going to get fulfilled? They asked for $4 million to make payroll, right, through the PPP, Coronavirus Small Business Loan, right, and fund. Let's look into other companies that have a similar valuation to Nikola. Carnival Cruise Line. A lot of you guys might be familiar with it. $16.81 billion, right? When it comes down to American Airlines, $7.75 billion. And you want to know the funniest one of all? Ford Motor Company, $28.78 billion. Nikola, right there with it. Ford, just think about that. Ford has a valuation of $28.78 billion. Nikola, that's made no sales. They've produced no vehicles. Yes, I do agree. They do have a couple patents. It's so mind-boggling to me. It's so cool. It's so amazing to see how there could be so much hype behind a specific company, especially a company that says it's so tech-focused, right? Because we've heard it so many times before that a lot of tech companies are overvalued. But now a tech automotive company valued at $28 billion. If I'm not mistaken, they made a little bit over $400K in revenue last year for 2019. They asked for a $4.1 million loan, right, during the coronavirus pandemic. And they are worth billions and billions of dollars. It's so unique to see the time that we now live in. Absolutely amazing. And it doesn't even just stop there, right? You guys can look a little bit more into it and the different companies that are valued very similar, right? And another company is Chipotle. Can you guys believe that? Chipotle has a valuation market cap of $29 billion. Chipotle itself is nearly valued the same as, Nikola. On top of that, how many of you guys use Twitter? Nikola is valued more than Twitter as of right now. Market cap at $28 billion in comparison to $29 billion for Nikola. This list kind of just goes on and on. We got Delta, right? Delta Airlines, market cap at $21 billion. Unreal, right? So the whole purpose of this video is for you just to be aware of just because something makes a good day trade doesn't make it a good long-term investment, especially when you should be made very well aware that there is a lot of hype behind the company. They're doing an absolute amazing job just bringing on in continuous just attention to their company, especially because of their overall performance. It's up 5% today. But the whole reason that I'm making this video is because I need you guys to be aware of, it's so cool to see something just push up the way that it's pushing, right? Especially when a lot of people see a lot of potential. I'm not here to say that Nikola can't be successful. Anyone is entitled to their own opinion. All I'm here to remind you is, especially for our day traders, especially for the beginner day traders, know the difference from a day trade and an investment. Understand the risk involved. The market opens and you buy it at $90 and then it drops in 5 minutes 25%. So it's great for everyone that has already made money during this pump. It's amazing to see that people have walked away with huge amounts of money. I have nothing against that. Again, if you made money off of Nikola, I think that's absolutely amazing. And I hope that Nikola continues to thrive. I truly do. I just want you to be aware of the risk. That's the whole point of this. I want you to be aware of the risk involved in trying to hold something overnight that is so heavily hyped up. So I not only wanted to share my opinion with you guys, but I wanted to share, different stocks and their valuation and their market cap valuation, and a little bit of, billionaire Trevor Milton. And one of the crazy things about this is I've tried to look into Trevor Milton and his past, his previous success stories. There's like a copy and paste template for every article of Trevor Milton, and I can't find anything else. So if you guys find anything, please direct message it to me on Discord or comment the link down below. I would love to personally check it out and to learn more about him. I know nothing about him. He continues to try to compare himself to Elon Musk, and they've actually had a battle between Nikola and Tesla, and Nikola suing Tesla for patents and stuff like that. So it's very interesting. It's something I'm definitely looking forward to, but I just want to do my part in reminding, especially our beginner traders, to have some form of risk management, especially when trading something that is so heavily hyped up. Feel free to share your opinion down in the comment section. Do you think Nikola is going to continue to thrive, or do you think it's a very short-lived stock that's just bound to crash? Again, I'm very excited to see its overall progress and to follow up with its overall performance. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys absolutely smash that like button. Don't forget to join our free Facebook group. We're the largest one in the world for those that day trade in the stock market, with over 277,000 members, and that's that first link down below. Also, we do run the largest YouTube channel with over 816,000 subscribers for those who day trade in the stock market. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, team.